Hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into Tuesday. Let's kick this pony in the butt and see where she trots. Here we are. The market gets bad news about inflation, right? And then the market goes up. Incredible. All right. So, what does it mean? I have no idea. I'm just sitting here, just in my underwear, just trading away. So, the market's up 0.5%. Nothing to see here. We do have our chart back, thanks to Matt Jollywally. He helped me get things back. And we got our little thing here. Does anybody need this? If y'all need this, I could share it. Let me go ahead and share it anyway, in case y'all hadn't got it back yet. So share grid. The only thing I don't have is the big green monster's not back up. What nickname would you like to use? My setup. How about that? Only Latin numbers. Well, what it is. I don't have a space in it. There you go. So be it. My setup. So let's see if we can now share that with y'all so everybody gets used to the hassle. So we'll look at volume profile, but we will not have the big green monster. So volume profile looks like it's saying, hey, baby, you got some little points in here that we probably want to explore. So this, if I had to look, looks like it's probably a little bit on the bearish side, but without seeing the, she rolling, baby. Oh, Lord, I remember that. That with Mike Price being the coach of Alabama. Lord, it's rolling, baby. Strippers and all kind of stuff. So everything looks good. By the way, we are above the 200 moving average, so I can use 50% of my capital in my trades, which is really good. So let's see if we made any money since the last time we traded. It's been 5 days. So today's the 14th in the year of our Lord 24. Let's see if we have made any money. Money. Get her pulled up here. Come here, little kitten. All right, let me change my settings so I can get it here. All right, let's see. So now we are at 344, 705. You're up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
We just made $850 in 5 days. Is that, see what our Greeks are? That's probably right? 158 times 5? See what 158 times 5 is. That's 750, right? 158 times 5 is 790. And we were up. Isn't it funny how that theta thing works? 850. Look at us outperforming. This is great of us. We are the stuff, y'all. All right, so our deltas are 295 and our theta is 213. 295, 213. 295. Oh, yeah. 213. And our buying power, VIX, what is that old VIX doing? Probably in the 12 handle, not 13 handle. So we'll do 13. And our buying power, excluding our bill. Bill's not a person, but bill is some of the stuff we trade. Is 1025, we'll say 1025. Oh, yeah. Data goes up, buying power goes down. That's looking good. So let's see now if any of our GTC orders have filled. So last time we traded was the 9th. So let's see if any of those have filled. Let's go to activity. Let's go to field. And let's go. Last 7 days. Uh-oh. Look at this, y'all. Did I put these in here? These happened on 5/9 at 4:13 p.m. We had one on 5/9 at 2:29 p.m. That was a day order. So I guess my last GTC was 5/9, 4/13, and I bought 15 at 20 cents, 3,500. All right, 15, 20 cents, 3,500. Let's see if we can find that. 15, 3,500. Here they are, 15 shorts. And they come off at, and they'll say I got a close button on there. Didn't have to close them though, because we know they're going to be right at 20 cents. 20 cents. Wow, that's 15 shorts, y'all. Wow. I mean, that is amazing, isn't it? 15 shorts. And we took those off on 5/9/24. Good. Look at us. And we made a profit of $2,045. Now, I can sell 15 today, or I can keep it in my pocket and keep me a note and say, hey, Bob, if we get a big down day tomorrow, you could sell another 15 shorts. But you know what I think I'll do? I think I'll just do it today. I don't know when they're going to come out. You know, the probabilities are what the probabilities are. So let's do, in this account, let's do ES, and let's sell 15 of them. 15. And this is going to be BSH 22, I guess. BSH 20. Everybody knows what I'm doing here, right? These are short hedge. All right, let's see where we can find some. So let's go trade ES. And we're going to go, I don't know, anywhere over 60 days. Let's see what we got here. Look at this nice 73. We ain't got anything there. 73 days. You sell stuff for $3. So let's go, let's do this 3900s. Try to get 394. Let's sell 15 of them. 15. All right, for 320. Let's see if we got enough buying power to do all this. I think we do. Look at us. 320 at 3,900. 3,900, 320. 3,900, 320. 73 days. I like it. Now, watch, we'll have a big down day tomorrow. It's going to happen, but that's fine. I should have done it tomorrow. That's fine. No big deal. This is a long-term trade. So now what you got to do is go back to that and put that in BSH 22. Go to positions, BSH 22. See if we can find him. BSH 22. Here we go. So group positions, BSH 22. All right, let's go back to the trade tab. 73 days. You know what we got to do with him? We got to give him a little closing order. Come here, little feller. There you go. So let's right click on him and let's close that position. What? You just opened it. Yeah, but it's a GTC order, y'all. So GTC, when this little thing gets to 20 cents, and we'll call this a GTC, good till canceled. All right, now, so that's 5 tranches, 5 times 3. So we got to buy 25 over here. So let's buy 25 at $1.55. Give us a nice credit. And we'll bump this up to 25. And I'm going to click because I like it. Showing me how I'm building these things. Look at that, 25 of those, y'all. I'll get $49,000 of relief in buying power. And make sure it's a GTC, baby. All right, a waka waka. All right, there we go. Now, let's see if anything else says that we need to change it. Looking for the auto close signal over here. Uh-oh, something else is saying close. Look at this. The short hedge is down. Why is that down? Days left in trade is 66. That shouldn't close now. Short hedge 32, 66. Let me see what my thing says. If close short hedge K64 is less than and equal to 0, K63. What the crap? Something's wrong with that formula. That should not say close because it's not down to 20-something days yet. I'm not sure what's happening there. Let's see if there's anything else that's showing me to close it. Come on now. Let's make sure. Let's copy this formula here. Control C. Control V. Still shows close, huh? Short hedge. Oh well, not exactly sure why. Anyway, that's a little glitch in the system there. So I know that not to take that. So we got our orders in. Let's see. So now it's just position sizing. it says that we should be putting on 2 tranches per week. So let's go do a tranche of our 111, you want to? So where do you go? You go to 120 days. So we can go to this 128 days. And let's find something at the 10% money, 10% probability of being in the money, and bump that up to 33 and see if we get filled. 47.50, nothing. Jack, squat, crap, dang it, nothing. So we'll bump him down. We'll go 32.75, and that will fill. All right, 47.50, 32.75. 47.50, 32.75. 47.50. Where's he at? 47.50, 32.75. And we were at, what was he, 128 days out? 5/14/24. There we go. And he was ES. Did 1 contract. And we're going to call him NP30. Put and naked. There we go. So now we got to do a put debit spread at a 25 delta. ES 1. PDS 30. Let's see where we can get this little joker. So we got to go to the 25 delta. So let's do this 5150, 5100 for 1175, 1150. Let's try that. A little more than I like paying y'all. I ain't going to lie to you. It's a little hard for me to pay this extra, but think about it. Your put debit spread is that much closer to the money. I said our put debit spread is that much closer to the money for the look. $12. There we go. So we got in at 12. So we got the 5150 at 12. 5150 at 12. 5150. 5100 at $12. Well, doggy. All right. So this is a put. This is a debit spread. 128. Control your colon. And so we took in about $1,000 of premium today. Let's go put them in their groups, Yona. PDS, what was it? PDS 30. PDS 30. Isn't this great? I mean, this is just the greatest trading plan ever. Let's see. Positions. PDS 30. There he is. Right click. And group positions, PDS 30. And NP30. And let's just see what some of our naked positions are at. This one here is at 88%. Wow, waka waka. This one is at 83%. Wow, waka waka. This one here is at 82%. This is great. NP19, he's at 57%. I mean, you see how I could take off stuff, but I'm not, because you got to go back and you say, Bob, why don't you take those off? And I'll just sit here and say this, watch. My theta's low. Ain't no need to take those off. Just let your theta go. All right. All right. Great job, y'all. I appreciate you so very much. Can't wait to see you tomorrow. Y'all have a wonderful day and happy trading for y'all. Bye-bye.